It's your boy Kyle Ramsey. This year we got a new leaf truck. Thanks to the councilman and City Hall. I thank y'all very much for allowing us to get this truck this year for sanitation department. I know everybody love to put your yard trash and stuff close together. If I can get y'all to divide it, that'd be easier for the leaf truck man to come by and scoop it right on up. You separate your leaves like this right here. This fine right here. But down at the bottom of it, you might have a little bit of stuff we can't take. We have to leave it. We got some rules and regulations. Number one, when y'all put your leaves out, try not to put sticks, rocks, and bricks. Trees like this, we cannot take. They tear up the truck. We got baseballs, footballs, and basketballs. We cannot take that. Please don't put no leaves on top of your water meter, because he can do suck it right on up. Your mailbox. Don't set your leaves by your mailbox. After Halloween, I know everybody love to put their pumpkins out by the yard trash. And if I can get y'all to put them in the green trash can and haul them off that way, that'd be fine. All your other stuff like clothes and stuff, you cannot put that in here. You gotta leave that out, put that in, separate that, you can put it in the green trash can.